The future isn't coming, it's already here. From quantum computers and humanoid robots to nuclear fusion rockets and AI-powered cabins, the next era of innovation is redefining how we live, work, and explore. Welcome to Automated World, where tomorrow's tech becomes today's reality. Let's dive into the breakthroughs shaping our future. 1. Quantum leap. IBM's Starling quantum computer is set to arrive by 2029 with a projected 20,000x boost in power over today's systems. It's designed to handle problems classical computers can't touch: think drug discovery, logistics, and AI modeling. And that's not all. IBM's Willow chip brings us one step closer to stable, scalable quantum computing. 2. Clean energy and fusion power. Germany's Proxima Fusion is making stellarator reactors commercially viable, unlocking clean, limitless nuclear fusion energy. Meanwhile, Pulsar Fusion is building the Sunbird rocket, using nuclear propulsion to make Mars missions faster and more sustainable. That's not science fiction, it's fusion-powered spaceflight. 3. Robotics revolution. Norway's Robot 1X is a humanoid robot designed to work safely alongside humans. With advanced AI and real-time perception, it's ideal for factories, hospitals, and even homes. And soon, personal droids that follow and assist you daily will be the norm, blending convenience with companionship. 4. Chip power and digital domination. Micron is investing $200 billion to boost U.S. chip manufacturing, ensuring tech independence and powering AI, cloud computing, and digital infrastructure. Meanwhile, NT Data is driving global digital transformation through sustainable, AI-first technologies. 5. Green travel and flying innovation. Electric aircraft and hydrogen-powered cabins are transforming aviation. Kawasaki's Alice cabins combine clean energy with enhanced comfort. And in space, the AST is building the first commercial space stations with artificial gravity preparing humanity for long-term life in orbit. 6. Health tech and future food. Biotech is making miracles real. 3D bioprinted hearts customized from a patient's own cells could revolutionize organ transplants. At the same time, lab-grown meat offers a sustainable, ethical food solution, cutting emissions and saving lives without harming animals. 7. Everyday tech that changes lives. Apple's Vision Pro with Visionos 2.4 brings AI-powered spatial computing to life, making digital interaction more intuitive and immersive. Plantiform's smart indoor garden lets anyone grow food at home, no soil needed, guided by AI patient. Lemur 2 are transforming emergency response with autonomous rescue missions in dangerous zones. From iCompanions and space architecture to fusion propulsion and quantum logic, these innovations reveal a bold new world that merges sustainability, intelligence, and exploration. The lines between humans and machines, Earth and space, biology and technology, they're blurring fast. This isn't just progress, it's a revolution. Like the journey? Hit that like button, subscribe to Automated World, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next leap into the future. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired.